Today we're going to open the colour reveal Barbie.
Whoa.
And this is a mirror and this is a brush.
And where did that come from, Amelia?
My present was this.
It was on there, was it?
Yes, it was on the top.
Oh, wow.
And this spiky bit turns into a brush.
Amazing.
And this mirror bit is a mirror.
Can you show me? Whoa.
And when you close it, you have to do this first.
I'll push it back in. Well done.
Yep, and then you.
Way. It's a lip balm, is it?
Yes, it's a lip balm ring.
Whoa.
Well, and then that comes off, and then you put your finger in there, and then you can put on your lips, but but you can't do it in the video.
Okay.
Because it wouldn't be good.
Okay.
Let's open this.
What is it? Is that your colour reveal Barbie?
Yep. And I know, this is the Barbie.
Cool.
This it there.
Ta-da!
I got this one. And now I have another one. And we have
What have you got?
a gal. And she's missing a piece the wig. So we're trying to find the wig from. Jump! Roller skates. Blue roller skates.
Amazing.
Oh.
What is it?
T-shirt. A shirt.
Oh, whoa, shirt.
Shirt. I'm making this one there.
And the roller skates.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream. You scream. We all scream for.
Ice cream. Yeah, ice cream, you scream, you all scream for ice cream. Oh! Oh, okay. I can see it.
You can see it.
It's fluffy.
We can't see it though because you put it under the table.
Oh, yes.
What is it? Looks like a wig.
It's the bit that goes here.
Mm. What have you done now, Amelia?
We dressed the dolly all up.
Oh, let's see. Can
Now
we see?
she looks like the queen.
Right, she got the hair on and the skirt.
Wait. Not ready.
Not ready. What happened?
Skirt fell down.
Oh, skirt fell down. Terrible. Got the skirt and the roller skates. There she is, all dressed up. Now we're going to go and get the water.
Gonna put the doll in the water. Hooray!
And what's going to happen then?
Change colour.
Whoa.
Ooh. The blueness. The blueness. Stir her.
Oh, look. Whoa.
Almost ready. Almost ready.
Oh, look at that. It's gone all cloudy.
Let's see.
Whee!
Daddy. She's ready.
She's turned pink.
We suddenly thought it would take long, but it didn't.
Well, you put her back in for a bit.
The hair. a look at her. I'll see if I can reflection her from my mirror. Or if I can't. I got very wet, everyone.
Oh, no. Excited? You can see all the way down here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let me come here also.
You come and have a look.
I can see her.
Amazing.
Do you think she's ready? Ella, and her wig can't get wet, and this just got wet.
Mm-hmm.
And thank you for watching.
Oh, thank you for watching and have a...
Triple A day!
Yay!
And this is her bath, don't mind. This is